She's a diamond. She's a diamond girl. She's a diamond. Diamond, diamond, diamond.
Hi YouTube, it's Princess Diamond. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is just a watch me braid. I'm using my Ombré braiding here that is 1B3027 on my client. And I'm just recording this video to show you guys what the braiding hair looks like braided. I try to, whenever I have a client that purchases my braiding hair, I try to do a video to show you guys what the blend or the braiding hair, if it's ombre or if it's a solid color, what it looks like when it's actually braided up, so you guys can get a good idea. And so I do have a playlist of that, so this video will be in that playlist and you can check out the other videos that I've already done. But yeah, I like to do that, like I said, just to show you guys what my braiding hair looks like. So today we're just doing some regular traditional box braids. We use a total of 7 packs, but if you are doing knotless box braids, regardless of the size, meaning if you're doing small, medium, large, knotless box braids, you will probably only need 5 packs. Now that is just an estimate, but for the most part you only need 5 packs. Like I said, we're doing traditional box braids, so we used 7 packs. If you're interested in this braiding hair, this is my braiding hair brand from my business, Princess Diamond and Company. I will leave a link to my website down in the description so you guys can go check it out. I do still have some in stock, so if you're wanting to purchase, go ahead and go check it out. I do have some other ombre braiding hair there, and I do have some hair blends that are still in stock, so you guys make sure to go check those out and look around the store and see what you like and support, and I appreciate it. I'm just gonna let you guys continue to watch this video all the way through, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. And I hope you guys be blessed, stay protected, stay filled with love and peace. Bye guys.